Ibex. This thing is pretty darn awesome. You can see the off-road package on it.
Yeah.
The tires are amazing, but this thing is built so well. It's all laminated construction, fiberglass. It uses Asdel. If you don't know what Asdel is, it's a really tough product. The cool thing about Asdel is there's no off-gassing. You know, 15 years ago, there was a big issue with off-gassing in the RV industry. You don't get any of those types of chemical smells, things like that. It's very safe for use. But this thing is built like a tank, and I'm going to let Caden take you through it. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, so we're looking at the 2023 Ibex 20MDS. So it's going to be a great floor plan. It's got the Murphy bed up front, which I'll show you guys that inside. So it's plenty. It's a perfect family unit. So yeah, just some outside features we're looking at. Nice electric awning right there. I think that's 16-foot awning. So that's going to give you a lot of coverage out here as well. Solid surface steps are always nice because you don't have the, they're always going to be stable when you step on them. Like David was mentioning to you as far as the tires and suspension, this has, you notice here, the Beast Mode package. So that's going to be the Kurt independent suspension. So that's going to be an upgraded feature. Ibex is doing that, so this thing's rugged and you can take it just about anywhere. And
yeah,
you also
and
have
pricing is stupid on this thing because it's a 2023.
Yeah, we have this marked down.
We need it to go, so call Caden. Give him your phone number, Caden.
Yeah, you can reach me or my team at 937-843-4380, and we'll be able to help you out here, answer any questions you have, and we'd love to earn your business. So as far as the outside here, I think that's all. We got pass-through storage up there, so we'll head on inside, and I'll show you the cool features they do inside. So right away, first thing when you walk in, you notice you have these two bar stools here. This is nice because it gives you 2 more additional spots to seat people to eat, and you also have the dinette as well. So I usually, good rule of thumb, you could sleep or eat 4 people here comfortably, another 2 there. So about 6 people can eat in here. So you're still, for the size, you can still have a lot of company. If you want to turn around too, you'll notice this is the Murphy bed I was telling you about. So what this does is this is a couch by day and then a bed by night essentially. And then they give you a kind of a cool feature with the map there. You can mark off the places you've been. But this is a cool feature. A lot of people are liking the Murphy beds because throughout the day you can put that bed up and you have more seating. So you, like I said, more company. Really enjoy the camping. So yeah, the dinette here, that folds down to a bed as well. You can sleep 1 to 2 more there. You're getting a TV right here, nice entertainment center right here. This one does have 1 AC on it. That's a 13.5, so that's plenty for what you need here. I like the sinks here, so you notice the sink to the round, and that's a deep sink, so you got plenty of room to do your dishes, meal prep, whatever you're looking to do there. And then 3-burner cooktop, that's gas, and you're given a convection microwave down there as well. This refrigerator right here is actually a huge refrigerator for this size of a unit, so if you take a look in there, you got a nice fridge freezer combo up there, so that's always nice to have for the long camping trips. And we'll slide back in here in the bathroom. So to the left you have a nice size shower, and it actually has the nicer curtain on it. So it'll close at the bottom so your water's not going to leak out. It's not going to get all over the floor. So that's always a nice feature to have. Nice vanity there. You get yourself a medicine cabinet. You have the toilet, and then you also have additional storage to the right. So all in all, yeah, I mean this is a great floor plan for just, and that actually has a lock on the inside too, so you have essentially a safe or a vault on the inside as well. But yeah, I mean for the size and the weight of this one, I mean the weight on this one, you're 4,639 pounds. So really a small truck's gonna pull this no problem, and it's a great couples coach. You can sleep more than, if you want the grandkids to come along or the kids to come along for a trip. You got the dinette there, so you can still have that ability to sleep more. But yeah, this is a really cool unit, and like David was telling you, we have a 2023 on it, so it's marked way below cost right now. If you have any other questions on it, like I said, you can reach me and our team at 937-843-4380. But that's all I got for this one, so we'll head over to the next one.